Hi, so in this tutorial I'm just going to go through really quickly how you can use some of the gentle finishes in the bonus section, and for this we're going to be using the Hazy Meadow Finisher. These come with the actions. Really these should be an action set on their own on the site, but I've decided to include them for you in your download. So all you need to do once you've added your blossoms, your flowers, your meadow, anything like that, is play one of the finishers. I recommend playing the finisher that goes with the florals that you've added. So for example, we've added the blossoms in this one, so I'm going to play the meadow. Tripping over my words today. So we're going to add the Hazy Meadow Finisher. All you need to do is click this and play it. It will play out and it's done. You can slide the opacity to get a stronger effect if you wanted to. Absolutely gorgeous. You can also drop down the group and you can edit the layers inside if you wanted to a little bit more. I recommend, if the effect is too strong on your subject, just lightly painting this off the face. 100% opacity, 25% flow. A black brush is selected for you and the mask is already selected, so you just need to click play and paint. Let's get rid of that and do it again. I'll show you. I'm going to play Hazy Meadow because I've added the meadow foreground, and just click off the face a little bit and slide the opacity. Before and after. A beautiful little finish. Let's play the meadow again on this completely different meadow image. So we've added the meadow foreground 6 here. So I'm going to click off this, go back to the background layer and play Hazy Meadow. And it's done. Just pop the opacity up so we can see the effect. Off and on. It just adds that really gorgeous finish. Pop it off her face just a little bit if you want to. You can see how it's brought out the tones in all the flowers. It's added that beautiful haze. You have finishers for all of the LSP florals, and they're included in all of the actions that you get, whichever florals you buy. So you can play with different ones. You've got blossoms, meadow, bluebells, you've got colours, you've got all different ones here, lavender, sunflowers. So do watch the other tutorials, specific really to the florals that you've downloaded to see more specific results, or you can just go through and watch these. They're nice quick tutorials to show you these different results. You can play more than one. For example, we've added meadow flowers in this one, but why not play pink blossom and just see what happens. Really pretty. And I'm just going to grab a big brush and just paint this off the middle section, off and on. Really, really pretty. So I hope you enjoy the finishes. You can go through the other tutorials on the LSP Actions website under video tutorials, overlays, botanics, and just scroll down. There's so many little micro tutorials you can watch to show you how best to use these and results you can expect to get. So enjoy. Please tag me in the group with your finished images. I'd love to see them. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.